Hello everyone. I came here after suffering for 2 years with muscle tension dysphonia. After I spoke for a long time, my throat would tighten up and I would have a lot of pain, and that really started to hurt my confidence at work and was really messing with my head. And so after meeting with a whole bunch of doctors and ENTs and speech therapists, I decided that I needed a new and different approach, and that is what landed me here at Vocal Science. And after 2 weeks and some very diligent and highly directed exercises, my voice is substantially stronger. I sound so much better. Even when I call my family and friends back in the States, they notice a difference. They say, "Hey, you sound great. You sound so much better." And but most of all, I've gotten my confidence back, and instead of hating my voice and hating speaking, I'm looking forward to going back home and falling back in love with my voice. And really thank you, Diana, and thank you to the staff here at Vocal Science for all your help to get me back to where I needed to be. I've made more progress in these last 2 weeks than any traditional medical treatment that I've done over the last 2 years. I would highly recommend it to any of you that are suffering from any voice issues.